Tutorial 6, Using OR and Combining Logic. Let's take things one step further and build search statements that combine both and OR to create layered, powerful searches. Part 1, Why Combine and OR. Combining and OR lets you structure more complex searches. It's like telling Google, I want content that fits this pattern, either this or this, but must also have that. This makes your search both broader and more precise at the same time. Part 2, How to build a combined search. Here's the structure. Group synonyms with OR inside parentheses and link key concepts with AND. For example, in parentheses, cancer or oncology, and in quotation marks, medical devices, and in parentheses, innovation or disruption. This search finds content about either keywords cancer or oncology combined with the phrase medical devices in quotations and combined with the keywords innovation or disruption. Part 3. Why this matters for business research. In real-world business research, you often need flexibility. Different industries, multiple keywords, evolving terminology. Combining and OR lets you be flexible and targeted, two of the most important skills for strategic research. In closing, mastering and OR is like learning a new language for Google. Next, we'll practice putting all these pieces together with a real example, sustainability in fashion.